Heavy-duty AC power cable. This 10 feet, 3 m, 14 Aruban Florins universal power cord with NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320 C19 connectors is suitable for workstations, home office use, rated to carry 125 volts at 15A. Performance and safety. UL listed, UL62 UL817, fully molded strain relief connectors for durability, fire rating, VW1, 3 conductor power cable made with 100% copper wire. This C19 thick-gauge computer power cord is available in other lengths. Specs. 10 feet, 3 m, AC power cord, NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C19, 14 Aruban Florins, 125 volts 15A, max, jacket type. SJT, jacket material, PVC, black, temperature range, 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, cable outer diameter, 0.36 inches, 9.1 millimeters. Compatibility. PC power cord NEMA 5-15P works with North American outlets, IEC C19 connector works with most servers and networking equipment, replacement PC power supply cable cord. The IT Pro's choice. Designed and built for IT professionals, this 3-prong power cable is backed for life, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. Create a high-powered connection for your server room devices. NEMA 5-15P to C19 cord. Heavy-duty 14 Aruban Florins power cable for power distribution units. 10 feet NEMA 5-15P to C19 power cord. 1x NEMA 5-15P. 1x IEC 320 C19. Rated to carry 125 volts at 15A. Black, 10 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed for Corsair AX 1600i. Exactly what I needed for the Corsair AX 1600i power supply. If you buy the Corsair AX 1600i from Amazon, buy this power cable. Especially if you are in the United States.